Yes. Today I'm going to Na Mueang Waterfall. I'm gonna go and meet my friend Army, a tour guide, a funny, adventurous person. She's done the hike. She knows the way in it. So yesterday he saw me on a date. I don't know if you guys know the story of how I met Darwin. She didn't mind us chilling and getting food panda or whatever in it. I was the one who opted to go out to a restaurant and eat in it. Food that I ate wasn't great in it. I ordered a duck and it was so gamey and so overcooked. It was just bad. Good night last night. Like I said, they forced me to go to Hush. Not really my thing. Like I said, the clubbing thing is not really my thing like that innit, but it was alright. But yeah, let's head on with the day. You guys can meet Army officially now. Oh, sorry, you tired?
Yes.
You always want to sleep. Where you go to? Mai.
No more.
Nana's the funny Nana. It's hilarious. Say something.
Somebody.
You mau? Nit noi. How you mau?
Butter.
That's how.
Butterfly. You butterfly.
Why you say a butterfly?
You tell yourself before. Every day, every night you tell I'm butterfly. But I cannot tell you because you tell.
You ready, yeah? Look at them, they were sweet. That's about 30 minutes, yeah? 30 minutes. How long?
30 minutes.
That's what I said. What do you mean pew pew? I don't... Oh, for Thai people, yeah. Turn? Alright, so we stopped off at what seems to be Lamai Viewpoint. I'm gonna check that out quickly before we head to the waterfall. How long cable car take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It's safe? Cable car safe?
Safe.
No, put your money away, bro. So this is the first stop on our adventure. Ready, it's just there. But I won't lie, this is a steep walk. Na Mueang not like this though. Huh?
Na Mueang have.
Oh, for...
You walk my butter.
Aye, okay. Oh my God, Army, that was... If there's more,
Step one.
I'm tired already. We go back to Sang's bar.
Okay.
We go home.
Ready?
But you good nah?
Yeah?
Before
Seems pretty safe. Army, I'm hot already. Look, I'm sweating already now. Oh, look at the view though, nice.
Butter.
Yeah, let's take these. Cool. Come on. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a fan of heights, but this is alright. It's not bad. But yeah, it's hot. It's very hot right now, man. So this is the Lamai Viewpoint. You can sit here, have a coffee. It's beautiful. Sorry, mate.
Sorry.
Did you walk up? Or did you...
Nah, I couldn't do that.
No way.
Yeah, because even just walking to the cable car was hard enough. That was enough,
Sure,
yeah.
man.
I'm guide to him.
She my tour guide.
Oh, yeah.
I say him, butter. This here step one. Nah. What you eat, butter?
Eat Western food today. Or you want Thai food?
I hang.
You hang. You hanging. You hungover. You know what are you eating?
I don't know you order first.
It's kind of nice though, cause really, like, look. That's cool. This is that's cool. It's nice. But, you know, so this is like the, I guess the walkway to death. Let me see what's going on. Normally this is as far as I get, but you see when there's trees under, it messes up your sense of height.
Zip line there.
Where?
Zip line.
Where you see? I don't see zip line.
Huh?
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, no, it's nice. Very nice, isn't it?
I think dinner.
Dinner over here, good. Yeah.
Dinner. See sunset. Oh, you finished แล้ว
Yeah. Tattoo Samui.
Welcome to Thailand.
Welcome to Thailand. I guess it's like a chicken Caesar salad, isn't it? It's a chicken salad I ordered. And she ordered Thai food. Look good? It's okay, it's a bit sweet.
So sweet, huh?
A bit sweet.
You say so sweet,
Yeah, sweet.
but so sweet sauce.
The sauce, yeah.
Just only sauce so sweet.
Yeah.
For our.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that was the Lamai Viewpoint. Let's just get it one more time. Start for decent. See you soon, brother. Yeah? Nice to meet you, bro. You ready for step 2? Huh?
Okay, but you you ready for
Yeah, I'm not ready for step 2, to be honest.
Before last night I think tea, but I think it's one not open. But I tell him because I'm not sure. I tell him, he say open.
Which one open?
Big store can see view.
I'm not sure. What you say it is?
Huh?
What do you say it is? What?
Store, big store.
What's store? A shop?
Big stone.
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 Stone. Oh, a stone.
Stone, yes.
A stone.
เนี่ย big stone.
Big stone.
ไปเธอ step 2
So basically, Army's telling me right now she wants to walk to. Well, she wants to go to a big stone, innit? That's what she calls it. Say it, Army. Big what?
big stone.
Big stone. Big stone. She wants to go to a big stone, innit? Which is obviously like a rock, innit? It's just a big rock, I think. I don't know. I am not so sure.
I think you don't like big stone because you don't have anything. Just walk แล้วก็ see view. Right?
Oh yeah, so it's basically a big stone that you can walk, and then see the view, as she just said. And I don't think that's a good idea, Army. Do you know why?
Huh?
Because Ron Mac, very hot. You want me to do this? Army, I don't do this. Look how steep that is. It's better to just have 2 small bottles, right? We just gotta ride these mountain roads. Na Mueang. Na Mueang. 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 Where?
No, toilet.
That. That not toilet. Is it for real? Is that the toilet? Huh? Army? Is that the toilet? You joking, isn't it?
If you need put อย่างเงี้ย
I know poo poo. I can't poo poo in that. That's nasty. So bro. Yeah, so this is why like I'm a little bit annoyed that I don't have the 360 camera on me. Sorry.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying that I don't have the 360 camera on me because if you could see, like you can see it on this, bro, but you see the 360 camera, it just makes it look so much better. Only so much you can really do with this, you know, but it would have been nice to have the third person shot, but you know how it goes. Sorry, man.
Sorry.
Alright, it's getting steep already. Fucking hell on me. Oh, you see six-pack, you have energy.
I have power.
Power down. Oh shit. Hep snake?
Hep?
Hep?
Troll. But I think they're not out because scare people.
Yeah. Sponsored by Air Force. I'm joking. Ah, look. In the heat now. Fuck. We go home. We go home. Oh my god. Like, as much as it would have been beautiful having. Oh my god. As much as it would have been beautiful having the Insta360, that's just more like, wait, I got the drone on me, so hopefully I can get like a beautiful shot. Army, you okay? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. No time for hellos right now. Sorry. Thank you. Put this bag in. Adventure for real. Yo. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. She's good. All in the name of adventure. Is there a lot more to go?
No, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, yeah.
Be careful, there are snake, green snake.
They venomous?
Yes.
Oh shit.
What happened, mother? What happened for you?
If you lot could see me right now, watch. Look. Like, that's me right now. I'm fucked. So we just made it. Oh, look. This is what you can see from here. So beautiful, I won't lie. I don't know how slippery these stones are. Yeah, what good? Very good. You can go in there and...
Yeah, I can go.
What are you doing? Oh, she's getting a Thai fish massage. So, seeing the next little spot here, it is kind of, I don't know what's down there. It's not too dangerous to get to. And I think we can get back up. Yeah, because look, these people are going down there already. We were just there, innit? But yeah, I don't know what the type of view is. What the view is like. This is where it can, like, there's a drop here. Good. Now, vine strong. This strong.
Ow!
Strong. I no leave you. I no forget you. These vines are pretty strong. Wait, see? Not sure. You have to tug on the vine at least before you just try and use it. Really, like, no, there's still a view. Yeah, you can really chill there and that. So this is like, I guess even you come a little bit more deeper in. You can still go up as well and there's views as well, but I don't really want to walk up anymore. But yeah, let me quickly pause this and get the drone out, innit? We just got this little waterfall for about 30-40 minutes to ourselves. It's quite nice, and now everyone's coming in it. So if you come to this spot, maybe check this spot out. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Have a nice time. It's nice. It's nice. Sister, you hold this for me, sister. Easy now, see? Very easy now. Oh, sorry, I do it. I'm so I do.
I tell you there, easy.
I know. See, I've got the best tour guide, guys. So you want to go that way? I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. Whew. Slippery though now, is it? Fucking hell, these Air Forces ain't good for the... It is nice, but that one nice as well. That one's nice as well. I've seen loads of people standing like here, and you see this is my limit. This is my limit. I ain't going over there. Oh. Adventure step 3.
Oh, finish, up to you.
Whew. Army always goes the easy way and I go the hard way. I'm gonna follow her. Whew. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whew. It's not too bad. I mean, fucking hell, it's bad, but it's not too bad. Yeah.
I can take you for...
Yeah. Yeah. Don't hike in the Air Forces, guys. It's dead still. I'm going down that way, the stairs there. So we ain't seen no snakes actually. But you know, snakes don't usually want to be seen. This is Na Mueang Waterfall. And like that, we're back at the bike already. Easy. This is spectacular. Let me take a wow. I think our adventures are done now. What? You know my Thai people will translate. They tell me what you say.
What did they?
They tell me what. Sadika. So yeah, I've been there before as well. I don't know what I had actually, but it was decent. I've also been to Salatai. Salatai is like a really nice restaurant. Like I said, it's just across the road, but I kind of want to just eat quickly and then go home and shower. So yeah, what you will find is that when you go to most of these restaurants, yeah, the Thai food is always gonna be cheaper than like Western food, innit? Have a Penang guy. Alright guys, I'll see you guys another time.